Sun's up, we're out to play, jumping, laughing every day. Ice cream cones and lemonade, summer fun, our memories made. Sandy toes and salty air, building castles everywhere. Splish splash in the pool so cool. Summer days, we break the rule. Picnics in the park, what a treat. Sharing stories, laughing sweet. Chasing butterflies, catching fireflies underneath the clear blue skies. Sunny days of summer fun, memories made one by one. In our hearts the season stays until next year's sunny days. Water fights with hoses spray, dancing through the sprinklers, hooray. Cotton candy at the fair, summer magic everywhere. Fireflies twinkle, stars appear. In the warm night we have no fear, camping out beneath the moon. Summer dreams, we'll be back soon. Fireworks light up the night, colors bursting, such a sight. Snuggled up with Teddy tight, underneath the starry night. Catching raindrops on our tongue, giggles, laughter, we're forever young. Catching dreams like fireflies beneath the summer's endless skies. Sunny days of summer fun, running wild until day is done. With friends we sing and dance along, in the summer breeze where we belong. Sunny days of summer fun, memories made one by one. In our hearts the season stays until next